Namaste student, this is Sanjay Nath. Today's session is on Seasons in India, Chapter 3, Part 2, ICSE Standard 10. In this topic we'll learn about different seasons that prevail over Indian subcontinent. Generally you know that there are 4 seasons in India: summer, winter, autumn and spring. There are also 2 more seasons connected with summer and winter season. Rainy season is a part of summer season and retreating monsoon is a part of winter season. Now we'll understand in detail the Indian summer. Now we'll understand in detail the summer season dateline. Summer season in India, March to May. Sun directly overhead on equator on March 21st is the equinox. From March 21st, the direct sunlight migrates towards the Tropic of Cancer on June 21st is called the summer solstice. During these months, Indian subcontinent experience summer season due to the direct sunlight falling over Tropic of Cancer. Now we'll understand in detail the summer season that prevail over Indian subcontinent with the help of an illustration. Now we'll see the temperature variation first. Due to the direct sunlight falling over Tropic of Cancer on 21st June, the direct concentration of sunlight will be on northern plains. Due to the direct concentration, northern plains will trigger high temperature 40 degree to 45 degree Celsius. Followed by that, Rajasthan also develop 45 degree Celsius temperature, whereas Deccan Plateau will experience 35 degree Celsius, is little less than the northern plains. The reason, Deccan Plateau is relatively higher than the northern plains, and second reason, the direct sunlight is over northern plain instead of Deccan Plateau. Same time, coastal parts of India will experience 27 degrees Celsius temperature. This is lesser than northern plains and Deccan Plateau. It is due to the moderating influence of the sea, not very cold, not very warm condition. Interestingly, extreme northern part of India, foothills of Himalayas will experience 15 degrees Celsius. It is due to the higher altitude. This is the temperature statistics of India during summer season. Northern plain, due to the high temperature, will develop low pressure. The strong low pressure will develop in Rajasthan also, and this low pressure regime will attract winds from all directions. Same time, Deccan Plateau of India will develop slightly high low pressure or moderate due to the higher altitude. And extreme northern part of India and the foothills of Himalayas will develop high pressure. Among all this, northern part of India will experience very strong low pressure, and the strong low pressure will develop a very regime that will attract the winds from Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean will be relatively high pressure, and these high pressure winds will attract towards the vacuum to fill the gap. In the entire process, the northern part of India will experience the local warm winds called Loo. Followed by that, eastern part of India near West Bengal, the pre-monsoon winds will develop the condition called Kal Baisakhi. It is a pre-monsoon effect with thunderstorm and cyclonic storm. Another very interesting pre-monsoon effect will be experienced near the coast of Kerala in the month of March and April. This will bring rainfall and little bit cyclonic storm called mango shower. This rainfall is good for ripening of mangoes. Now we'll understand the Indian summer summary. From March to May, the apparent migration of the sunlight will migrate towards Tropic of Cancer. There will be high concentration of direct sunlight over Tropic of Cancer and develop low pressure over the northern plains. Simultaneously, low temperature and slightly high pressure will develop over Indian Peninsula and the Plateau region, and slightly high pressure over Indian Ocean. Monsoon winds are not drawn into India due to high pressure over peninsula, hot Loo in northern plains, local winds, and Kal Baisakhi in West Bengal, the pre-monsoon effect, and mango showers will hit the coast of Kerala. Now we'll understand the mechanism of Indian monsoon. Indian monsoon is said to be one of the dramatic monsoon system in the world. Let's see what are these characteristic features. First, understand monsoon means what. It refers to the seasonal wind which blow over the Indian subcontinent in summer. In summer, these winds or monsoon winds blow from sea towards the land, and these winds pick up a lot of moisture from Indian Ocean. And in winters, These monsoon winds blow from land toward the sea. Now we'll understand the monsoon and some unique features of conditions over Indian subcontinent. It brings rain to the entire Indian subcontinent and it covers most part of the India, northeast, southwest and central. One of the very unique feature of Indian monsoon is it varies in strength. India is a vast country. It is about 3.2 million square kilometer, and because of this vastness, the strength of the rainfall it also vary from region to region. At some place it is very strong and some place it is very weak. It is very difficult to predict where it will be strong and where it will be weak. And the monsoon in India is also uncertain and uneven. Whether we'll receive the rainfall on time as per the last year or not, it is still not clear. It may vary. Monsoon timeline. The general timeline of monsoon that dominates over Indian subcontinent is June to September. During this time, the sun moves from Tropic of Cancer to equator, and this particular migration is called Dakshinayan. It causes a low pressure in peninsular India or over Deccan Plateau. Now the direct sunlight will concentrate over Deccan Plateau. It is shifting southwards or southwest migration of direct sunlight. By August, the low pressure regime over Deccan Plateau will pull the monsoon from Indian Ocean and spread over entire India. Monsoon arrival dates. Western Ghats, Northeast states 15 June. Southwest monsoon winds that dominates over Bay of Bengal. It hits the states of Seven Sisters or northeastern states. Northwestern India, that Eastern Ghats 1st July. Northern plains of India and central India 15 July. Kanyakumari is the first place to receive rainfall. Kerala is also the first state to receive the first rainfall from southwest monsoon winds. Now it's time to understand the mechanism of monsoon in India or Indian subcontinent with the help of an animation and some simulations. As you can see the map of Indian subcontinent, as the sun descends towards the equator, entire northern India and peninsula develop high temperature condition and trigger low pressure conditions. Due to this low pressure and high temperature over the northern plains, it attracts the monsoon winds from Indian Ocean. As you can see, these arrows are representing the direction of southwest monsoon winds. The direction of southwest monsoon winds are southwest to northeast direction. These monsoon winds are attracted towards the low pressure regime over northern plains of India. As you can see, there are two branches. One is in the Arabian Sea and another branch is in the Bay of Bengal. Arabian Sea branch progressively moves towards north direction along the Western Ghats. At first, Western Ghats doesn't allow this monsoon winds to cross. Windward side of the Western Ghats receive first rainfall and heavy. These winds progressively move towards north direction, or you can say northeast direction. Interestingly, the southwest monsoon winds, when it move along the Western Ghats, it get a chance to enter into India from Gulf of Cambay with lot of moisture, and it reaches till Punjab and Haryana. Due to the alignment of Aravallis, that is northeast to southwest direction, monsoon winds run parallel to the Aravalli ranges, and these Aravalli ranges are not able to obstruct the wind. This is the one reason behind the formation of Thar Desert. Rainfall due to Arabian Sea branch we'll see with the help of animation. The red color represents the heavy rainfall regions. This is on the windward side of the Western Ghat, and the yellow color represents the moderate rainfall regions, and the white color represents the less rainfall regions. In this manner, the monsoon winds pick up the moisture and enters into India. This particular branch that brings rainfall is called Arabian Sea branch. Now we'll see the Bay of Bengal branch. As you can see, the Bay of Bengal branch runs parallel to the east coast, and it doesn't bring rainfall at first at the east coast. It hits the Arakan-Yoma range in Myanmar, and it takes a turn towards northwest, and these winds pick up the moisture from Bay of Bengal and move along the Himalayan range or lower Shivalik range and enters into India from West Bengal. Now we'll understand the rainfall due to Bay of Bengal branch. Bay of Bengal branch enters into Indian mainland from West Bengal. It primarily gets deflected due to the Arakan Yama ranges and enters into the Indian subcontinent. As you can see, the color codes, it represent the intensity of rainfall decreases towards interior part of Indian subcontinent. The red color represents heavy rainfall, and these winds bring moisture or pick up moisture from Bay of Bengal called southwest monsoon winds. Further it enters into India along the Himalayan range or Shivalik ranges. It decreases in strength. Light yellow color, moderate rainfall, and very light yellow color, less than moderate rainfall. Now we'll understand the distribution of rainfall in India. Areas of heavy rainfall more than 200 cm has been experienced in the windward side of Western Ghat. Southwest monsoon wind Arabian Sea branch on the windward side of Western Ghat brings heavy rainfall, and the eastern Himalayas southwest monsoon wind Bay of Bengal branch bring heavy rainfall on the eastern part of India. West Bengal. The southwest monsoon winds from Bay of Bengal deflected by the Arakan Yama range and enters into India from West Bengal bring heavy rainfall. Areas of moderately heavy rainfall 100 to 200 cm. Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is on the windward side of Western Ghat, receive moderate rainfall. Middle Ganga Valley is little bit interior of the mainland India. Before this moisture laden clouds reach there, the intensity decreases. Orissa also receives the rainfall from southwest monsoon wind branch from Bay of Bengal. Areas of moderate rainfall 50 to 100 cm. Eastern Ghats. Southwest monsoon wind branch run parallel to the eastern Ghats. At first it doesn't bring good rainfall. Upper Ganga Valley also receive less rainfall due to the intensity of southwest monsoon wind decreases inside. Gujarat, Punjab, Rajasthan as such receive 50 to 100 cm rainfall because it doesn't fall on the way of southwest monsoon winds directly. Areas of scanty rainfall less than 50 cm. Western Rajasthan, and Western Rajasthan is having Thar desert. This area receives less rainfall due to the windward side of the Aravallis doesn't allow the southwest monsoon winds to cross. A southwest monsoon wind branch from Arabian Sea run parallel along the northern Jammu Kashmir is little higher in altitude. Rainfall is scanty. Kutch, there is no barrier to stop the southwest monsoon winds, that's why it's deprived of rainfall. Now what are the features of Indian rainfall? Occurs from June to September. Distinct rainy season. Erratic and unpredictable. Unevenly distributed. Orographic rainfall. Orographic rainfall means the presence of hills and mountains. Cyclonic rainfall and convectional rainfall. Thank you for watching the presentation.